Hey guys, this is Eric with Hack Audio. I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of the Analog Circuit Factory plugin. This cross-platform software for Mac and Windows comes in AU, VST3, and AAX formats for your digital audio workstation of choice. This plugin offers an enormous collection of digital models based on highly acclaimed analog hardware. Each circuit is packaged as a virtual 500 series rack module. Over 100 modules are included, ranging from analog mixing console EQ emulations to boutique guitar pedals and even classic tube guitar amplifiers. Within the Analog Circuit Factory, the modules are loaded into a virtual rack to create a signal chain of effects. On the right side, you have a section with an output level control, polarity switch, and output meter. Along the top, you have a bypass button, preset manager, oversampling switch, and settings button. Within the settings menu, you'll find the version number and an option to switch the color scheme of the graphics. The plugin size can be scaled to accommodate a range of computer monitors, from small laptop screens to high-resolution displays. This plugin uses state-of-the-art modeling technology developed at Hack Audio for true, component-level recreations of circuits. Absolutely no shortcuts, gimmicks, or cheap approximations were used in the modeling, bringing you all the nuances that make analog gear so desirable. The plugin is super simple and intuitive to use straight away. It's designed to give you great sounds as quickly as possible. If you want to go deep and tweak the sounds even more, there are endless combinations of tones that you can make by rearranging modules and dialing in all the parameters. Here at Hack Audio, we want to give you the ability to go underneath the hood of the software. So if you really want to, you can even edit and customize any of the circuits at the component level to make them your own. You can swap out different resistors and capacitors, edit the characteristics of potentiometers and nonlinear components. You can even create your own circuits from scratch and share them with other users because the plugin is built on top of point-to-point modeling technology, which does automated solving of arbitrary circuits. So there are an infinite number of modules that can be added to the plugin. Check out some of our other tutorial videos if you want to find out more information about this feature. So what can you use it for in mixing? The Analog Circuit Factory is great if you want to add subtle analog warmth to every single channel in your mix if you're working in the box. It can be used to accomplish unique tone shaping, as this plugin includes a huge collection of analog tone sections, each offering something a little different. This is great if you're tired of using the same digital EQ curves you find in many other plugins. The Analog Circuit Factory can be a super creative tool. You can do things like build Frankenstein signal chains by mixing and matching various parts of different guitar pedals and amps. It can be used for extreme sound design by mangling the incoming audio with diode, transistor, and tube circuit models. If you'd like to purchase the plugin or try out a free 15-day demo, head over to hackaudio.com for more information about the Analog Circuit Factory.